today I'm going to introduce to you the arm washer from Sörbo products. This has a little arm in one end of the washer, and this will actually eliminate the detailing when you do window cleaning. This will leave a 1/4 of an inch dry window surface around the edge. When you use your squeegee and you squeegee with the Sörbo squeegee afterwards, you actually push the water back to the frame again, but it will be a very small amount. It will not be enough where you have to detail. So when you're done, it is totally dry. Now I'm going to show you a little bit how this squeegee works in the window. But first of all, you know, when you use a squeegee and an arm like this, you don't want the suds in the water. So use the Sörbo glass cleaning powder. It's very efficient. And then you use the Sörbo Glide. And this is what actually laid the water on in one sheet of the window, but it doesn't leave any suds. So I'm going to show you here. As you wet the window, you can see now that it's in one sheet. It's not crimping up here and there and dry. So now you have the arm sticking out here. So what you do here, you can see here now, it's a 1/4 inch dry there. So what you do here, you just go like this and it's nothing left. Not one drip of water left. You can actually direct the water to your left and to your right. If you do like this, you scoop it in and you actually move the water to your left side. But if you do like this and have it horizontal like that, then you move the water towards the frame and it will actually wet the window where it was dry, that little 1/4 inch. So you get actually the whole window wet. Be sure you get water coming all the way into the frame. You can see here now when you go down like that, you have water going back into the frame again. And that will actually clean the window on the dry surface too. And then of course you remove the whole thing like that. And since you asked for it, you got it. And I looked at the YouTube this weekend, and here is Tuesday and you already have it double R. So remember that, Sörbo always listen to you guys, because I'm a window cleaner.